Organic gardening is about growing good food in a good way. We don't use nasty chemicals. This is healthier for us and better for our planet. Organic fruits and veggies taste better too. It's all about natural and delicious food. Organic gardening helps the environment. We don't use harmful pesticides. This protects important insects like bees. It also protects our water and soil. By growing our own food, we reduce pollution from transportation. Growing your own organic food has many benefits. You know exactly what's in your food. No nasty chemicals, just pure goodness. Imagine picking a juicy tomato and eating it straight from the vine. Homegrown food is packed with flavor. You can taste the difference. Plus, it's cheaper than buying organic at the store. You'll save money and enjoy delicious, healthy meals. Starting your own organic garden is easier than you think. First, choose a sunny spot. Most fruits and veggies need at least 6 hours of sun each day. You can grow in pots, raised beds, or directly in the ground. Next, prepare your soil. Add compost to make it rich and healthy. Now you're ready to plant. Choose easy-to-grow varieties like lettuce, tomatoes, and strawberries. Once your garden is planted, it needs some love. Water your plants regularly, especially when it's hot. Weeding is important too. Pull out any unwanted plants that pop up. Finally, enjoy the fruits of your labor. Harvest your produce as it ripens and enjoy fresh, flavorful meals. Remember, gardening is a learning experience. Don't worry about making mistakes, just have fun and enjoy the journey.